Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to search on DeepSeek without login. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and go to the DeepSeek website. On the homepage, you'll see two buttons, Start Now and Get DeepSeek App. Since we're trying to search without logging in, click on Start Now. However, once you click it, you're redirected to a login page. You'll see options to sign up or log in, but there's no way to use DeepSeek's search or chatbot without creating an account. Unlike some AI tools that offer guest access, DeepSeek requires users to log in before accessing any features. So if you're looking to use DeepSeek without logging in, it's not possible at the moment. But there's an alternative, ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a popular AI chatbot that does allow access without a login. To use it, open your browser and search for ChatGPT. Click the link to OpenAI's official site. On the homepage, click the Try ChatGPT button. You'll be taken directly to the chatbot interface where you can start typing your questions. You'll see login and sign-up options at the top, but you can ignore them and continue using the tool freely. So, that's basically how you can search on DeepSeek without login. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.